What's good, YouTube? In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to turn on or off the touch sound for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to turn on or off the touch sound on your S25 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing that you want to do is jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for sound and vibration. And then from there, what you want to do is hit sound and vibration. From there, what you want to do is scroll down and you want to look for system sound, and you want to hit system sound. And then from there, you want to use touch interactions to turn on or off touch sounds. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to turn on or off touch sounds for your Samsung Galaxy S25 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.